Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to properly list names in one column and numbers in another using Microsoft Excel on your PC. This technique will be really handy for promotions or any other situation where you receive a bulk of contacts through WhatsApp contact sharing. The first step is to open WhatsApp on your phone. After logging in, save the bulk contacts you received by clicking on the relevant option within WhatsApp. This will ensure that the contacts are saved on your PC. Once you've opened WhatsApp on your PC, use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on the screen. This will log you into your WhatsApp account on your PC. Next, open Google Contacts on your PC. We'll import the contacts we just saved from WhatsApp into Google Contacts. Import the file that contains the contacts you downloaded from WhatsApp into Google Contacts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the import process. Now, download or export the contacts from Google Contacts. This will provide you with a file that you can open in Microsoft Excel. Open the file you just downloaded in Microsoft Excel. Here you'll find the names in one column and the numbers in another. You can also delete any unwanted columns to keep your data clean. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.